Do you ever have any headlight oxidized like this? So in today's video, we're gonna try to revive that headlight with this Turtle Wax headlight lens restorer, and hopefully we can make this headlight look brand new again. So guys, let's get started. So we'll see what's inside this box. So we have a spray lubricant. You have a lens clarifying compound. 2 pieces of double-sided sanding paper. A lens base coat wipe. A lens sealing wipe. And a plastic glove. So I'm gonna put a tape around the headlights to protect the paint. So first we need to clean this with a glass cleaner, just to make sure the lens is clean before we start working on it. So after cleaning the lens, we're gonna buff the headlight with the lens clarifying compound. So you're gonna apply a little bit on the microfiber towel. You have to rub it with the firm pressure. And you buff it out. So we're gonna make it better by using the sandpaper number 1 and spray with the spray lubricant at the same time. Make sure you wet the headlights and the sandpaper, and do back and forth. Then we're gonna do number 2 sandpaper on the opposite direction. So we finished number 2. Now we're gonna go for number 3. Number 3. Side by side. Then we're gonna do number 4, up and down. So we're gonna do a lens clarifying compound again. We're gonna let it dry to a haze, then we're gonna polish it with the microfiber towel. So after you buff it up, now it's time to apply the lens base coat. And then after that, once it's dry, then we're gonna do right away with the lens sealing wipe. So make sure you wear your gloves so it doesn't go on your hand. But just to remember, when you do the wipes, make sure both headlights are done, because you only have one shot of this. When this is finished, that's it. You cannot do the other headlights if you don't do the other headlights. So make sure both headlights are done, ready for the wipes. So once it dries, it's time to apply the lens sealing wipe. So now it's dry, it's time to do the lens sealing wipe. Wow, what a transformation. What a big difference. So now you have to let it cure for 24 hours. But what a big difference. The headlight looks brand new right now. Not bad for $10. Because I got this on sale for $10, so it's not bad. I'm really surprised with the result of this. It's very good. I highly recommend, if you want to do your headlights, this is the cheapest way possible, and the result is excellent. Look at that. It's like brand new. Amazing. So I'm really surprised with the result from this Turtle Wax headlight lens restorer kit. You know what? It's not bad for 10 bucks. So guys, please give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified as soon as I release the new videos. You know what? There's more mods and DIY coming soon, so stay tuned for that. Guys, thank you for watching.
You're like a drug that